Hello everyone, it's Dr. Dave. Hopefully you're all doing well. You enjoyed your April weekend and you're looking forward to a wonderful, healthy week. Coming at you on behalf of the Toronto Neck and Back Pain Clinic with your daily health update. It's Monday, April 19th, 2021. Gonna look at 6 areas of health and wellness together with you today. Somewhere around this video, you can read through all 6 areas, and if you'd like a copy, you can DM us on social, send us an email, or give us a call here at the clinic. We'd be happy to get that to you. Not gonna treat, diagnose, prevent, or cure any illness or disease with our time together today. However, we will share with you the latest and greatest in the research and literature when it comes to health and wellness, and it may just support some of the decisions, actions, choices, things you're doing today to take good care of yourself and those around you. The journal Aging, February 2021, looks at lack of sleep and how it could raise dementia risk. They looked at data from the National Health and Aging Trends Study, and the researchers estimate that older adults who sleep 5 or fewer hours a night are 2 times more likely to be diagnosed with dementia or die in the following 5 years than participants who sleep an average of 7 to 8 hours a night. If you are getting 6 or less hours of sleep, you are really stacking the deck against you in terms of your health and wellness based on the research and literature. Now, maybe there are some exceptions, and maybe you seem to be doing fine, but it's a question of how long can we keep that up and what impact is it having on your body. So trying to raise that up to the minimum, I would think 7, and maybe ideally 8 for some, but somewhere in that window is probably a good idea, good for your body, mind, and soul. We talk a lot about the Mediterranean diet here on the Daily Health Update. I think one of the most versatile and healthy, welcomed diets in the world. The journal Public Health Nutrition, February 2021, looked at data from 143 studies, and it concluded that diet, the Mediterranean diet, which focuses on eating fruits, vegetables, fish, nuts, olive oil, and whole grains while avoiding red and processed meats, dairy, saturated fats, and refined sugars, is associated with a reduced risk for obesity in adults. A healthy way of eating will create a healthy way of life. So nutrition, very important on our daily health updates. Home Gym Essentials, the journal Self, or the magazine Self maybe, I think it is, March 2021, looked at fitness experts who recommended the following essential items for your home gym, an affordable way about going and getting your fitness in, especially if you're still in an area like us in Ontario where you have no gym access. So an exercise mat would be good, resistance bands, kettlebells, dumbbells, a full-length mirror, a jump rope, and a gym ball. Some good choices. There's an easy way to put together, and now with a plethora of information on the internet and through various companies or businesses that unfortunately cannot be open now but are offering a lot of virtual services, it's a great time to be able to complement what you will get back to eventually with something that you can strategize with at home. And maybe in the future you'll be even more active then, going to do your workouts, but then on the days when you typically didn't go, would still have access to do something on your own without having to go. So it's good to have that option as a backup, especially for those days when you don't feel like going but still want to do something. Early life mental health issues can affect physical health in adulthood, according to the Journal of the American Medical Association Psychiatry, February 2021. The findings from that study suggest that improving the mental health of our children and our teens will provide lifelong benefits. Of course, all of us at any age can suffer from anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. And unfortunately, like any other health condition, the sooner in life we might face or be confronted by those challenges, the bigger impact it could have over time. So good to have those checked into and supported as early as possible. The Guadalupe Regional Medical Center has these health tips for you, health and wellness tips for everybody, they say, March 2021. They want you to schedule a wellness check and stick to it, probably at least every year, if not more often. Get yearly eye exams, eat at least 1 fruit and 1 vegetable at every meal. That would be 6 fruits and vegetables a day. That would be your minimum requirement met, the minimum. You could always get that up to 9 or 12 and you'd be doing really well. Spend 1 entire day on you. So valuable. Just to put everything down physically and also not just literally, but also in a form of speaking, and just focus on doing something that you want to do for a whole day and take care of yourself for that day. You'll never go wrong, and you'll never look back saying, oh man, I wish I wouldn't have spent that day on myself. Schedule regular dental exams and cleanings. Drink at least 2 glasses of water per day. Give up soft drinks and get physically active. So some things that we probably all know, but some encouragement to stick to it. Our stick-to-itness will support our journey and keep us healthy along the way. Finally, from the complementary therapies in clinical practice, January 2021, you know we love our chiropractic pieces of information on the Daily Health Update. We usually share that with you at the end of each Daily Health Update. And again, we're looking at spinal manipulation for tension-type headaches. Patients treated with the combination of spinal manipulation and exercise together experience greater improvements with respect to headache frequency and severity than those treated with either myofascial release of the muscles at the base of the skull or the neck, or exercise alone. So spinal manipulation, along with the exercises, as well as soft tissue therapies, connective tissue therapies, can all benefit tension-type headaches. And the degree to which a person wants to improve and maybe avoid, decrease the frequency, intensity, and maybe eliminate those headaches, there are several things you can add into that protocol, including acupuncture in terms of getting treatment, but then there's also your lifestyle factors which could also support that, many of which we cover in the Daily Health Update. So we talk about common and normal quite often. What is common in society are a lot of these ailments that plague us each and every day, but they are never normal, and we can strive for some improvement, some solutions perhaps, and even eliminate them by employing the proper strategies. And we promise to share with you some information on that every day on the Daily Health Update. So enjoy your Monday, or maybe you already enjoyed it. A good start to the week for you. Enjoy the rest of the week. We'll be back tomorrow, Tuesday, with your next Daily Health Update. Plug in then. You'll be glad you did. And stay plugged in for that momentum. It'll serve you well. All right. Take care, and we'll talk soon.